Hey guys, I wanted to share my experience with Mike's fitness program. After doing his program, I was in the best shape of my life. My overall health improved. I had a better understanding of living a healthy lifestyle. I dropped nearly 30 pounds. Very happy with Mike's service. We had regular check-ins and he was prompt with his responses. My mindset before joining compared to now was I can't do it before to I can do it. I did have some doubts. I was a little hesitant to sign up because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to commit to the program. But throughout the process, I committed and I was able to see the results I was hoping for. I would definitely recommend Mike's program to anyone looking to improve their health and fitness. Mike has the knowledge, the expertise, and he's committed to his client's success.